Hi everyone. In this video, we will see testing package in Golang. So testing package in Golang provides a framework for writing and executing test. It provides three testing types. The first one is testing.t. So this type is basically used for reporting test failures and managing test execution. It provides many functions like error f, fatal f, log f, helper, parallel, skip, cleanup. We will see each of these functions one by one in the code. The next testing type is testing.b. So this type is basically used for writing and running benchmark test. So what we do in benchmark test is we measure our code performance. So we run our function many times and we check the runtime and memory usage of our algorithm. And the last testing type is testing.f. This testing type is used for fuzzy testing. So in fuzzy testing, what we do is that we use some random input and call our function and pass that input into that and check whether there are some errors or not. So this technique is used for discovering bugs or edge cases.